the temple kitty? I don't know. I don't know. We stopped in at this temple that Google Maps showed us on the way home. This temple has quite the history. It is over 1,400 years old. And so, of course, we're getting our Goshuinchos stamped. Don't trust Google Maps for the reading of kanji of place names. Google Maps says Sagara, but the place is called Airakanno. That's the real name of the temple. And we got 2 Goshuincho stamps, but I don't really understand what the difference between the two is. But that's okay. The main building of the temple holds a very large Buddhist statue, which I did not ask if I could take a video of, but they gave me a very nice pamphlet that has a picture inside so I can easily show it to you. Also, here's a map if you want to find your way. Although I definitely recommend Google Maps for navigation over a YouTube video.
First time. あんま強くしちゃダメよ。立派な仕事にね、望む仕事につけますように。
Second time ever. I don't know. Oh, that you feel that. That's wonderful. Thank you.